I have this core belief that I am doing this to help people, to help, to inspire, to motivate, to entertain, whatever it is. If you provide value to people, then the money will come. You can't expect to get money before you provide any value.
This is Charlie Chang, a young online entrepreneur that currently makes over $210,000 per month, combining all his main online income streams. If you want to better understand who Charlie Chang is and how he makes this amount of money using only the internet, watch this video until the end. By the end of the video, you will know exactly how he makes money and how you can copy him and become a successful online entrepreneur with several income streams. But before that, make sure to subscribe to this new channel to learn more about how to make money online. Also, if you want to speed up your success and achieve financial independence, check out the first link in the description below. Who is Charlie Chang? Charlie Chang is a content creator on social media platforms and CEO of his own online businesses. With these two activities, he developed 6 income streams, which now allow him to make over $210,000 per month. And all of that just using the internet. Charlie's history is very inspiring for everyone who is struggling in life. As he says, the whole theme of his life, it's a lot of losses and just a few wins. But those few wins were all he needed to succeed in life. Charlie graduated in psychobiology from UCLA, but got rejected by over 20 medical schools he applied to. This was Charlie's first setback. As he couldn't work in his career, he started to look for new opportunities everywhere. This was the beginning of his entrepreneur journey. To make a long story short, Charlie started several businesses, but all of them failed. After several losses, he finally achieved his first win with Amazon FBA. And from that moment on, things started to grow exponentially for him. Charlie is a truly inspiring case for all of those who want to start an online business and make money from home. So let's see now how he managed to develop 6 income streams and how we can copy him. For that, we are going to analyze all his income streams from the smallest to the biggest. But before we start, just a reminder, revenue does not equal profit. Of course, he has expenditures to run his business. But what makes online businesses extremely interesting is their high margin profit that can reach 80% margins or more. So let's start. Income 1. Charlie's first income stream is from online coaching. Every once in a while, he jumps on a one-on-one call with someone that he wants to learn directly from him how to create a new source of income, build a YouTube channel, or just some insight on how to live a life that's similar to his. For his time and knowledge, Charlie charges a fee. According to the latest available numbers, online coaching accounts for 2% of Charlie's overall revenue. With that, he makes about $4,000 per month, considering a $210,000 total revenue. So online coaching is his income stream number 1. Income 2. Charlie's second income stream is from his online courses sales. Today, Charlie has 2 online courses available: the 6-Figure YouTube Academy and the Personal Brand Masterclass. The 6-Figure YouTube Academy teaches how to build a massively cash-flowing YouTube business, and the Personal Brand Masterclass is a personalized online education experience where he teaches how to build a wildly influential personal brand in 6 weeks. And all of that without quitting the job or spending an obscene amount of time being an influencer. According to the latest available numbers, online courses sales account for 5% of Charlie's overall revenue. With that, he makes about $10,000 per month, considering a $210,000 total revenue. So selling his online courses is his income stream number 2. Income 3. Charlie's third income stream is from e-commerce through Amazon FBA. If you don't know what Amazon FBA is, it is an e-commerce business model that uses Amazon as an intermediate. It's a simple concept. Sellers sell and Amazon ships. FBA is an excellent way for many people to have an e-commerce because Amazon helps the store sell and ship the e-commerce items. According to the latest available numbers, Amazon FBA accounts for 8% of Charlie's overall revenue. With that, he makes about $16,000 per month, considering a $210,000 total revenue. So Amazon FBA is his income stream number 3. Income 4. Charlie's fourth income stream is from Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a tool developed by Google that allows content creators to place advertising from third-party companies on their YouTube channel or website. In Charlie's case, by joining the YouTube Partner Program, he uses Google AdSense placing ads on his YouTube videos. For those who don't know, YouTube monetization works through Google AdSense, and this is the process. When a company advertises its brand, products, or services through YouTube, AdSense places the ad on the registered YouTube video, and for each click or view made by the followers on the posted content, Google transfers a percentage of the ad spending to the content creator account. In order to participate in the YouTube Partner Program, the YouTube channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Since Charlie makes both conditions and has the YouTube monetization activated, he makes money from YouTube ads. Today, Charlie's channel has over 1 million subscribers, and on it he talks about finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. According to the latest available numbers, Google AdSense accounts for 20% of Charlie's overall revenue. With that, he makes about $40,000 per month, considering a $210,000 total revenue. So Google AdSense from YouTube ads is his income stream number 4. Income 5. Charlie's fifth income stream is from sponsorships and brand deals. Content creators are very familiar with this type of income because brand deals or sponsorships are very common for those who have an audience. Mainstream advertising has shifted from ads that used to be paid to media companies and their TV shows to now being paid to content creators on social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Nowadays, brands are increasingly spending more of their advertising budgets with content creators. Basically, this is how it works. Companies and brands pay influencers and content creators to promote their products or services to a certain audience. According to Forbes and social backers, micro-influencers have over a 20% higher conversion rate that can help brands boost their e-commerce sales. Therefore, despite their small followings, brands can extract incredible sales value from working with micro-influencers. In Charlie's case, he does these sponsorships mainly on his YouTube channel, Instagram, and TikTok. According to the latest available numbers, brand deals accounts for 23% of Charlie's overall revenue. With that, he makes about $50,000 per month, considering a $210,000 total revenue. So brand deals and sponsorships are his income stream number 5. Income 6. Charlie's sixth income stream is from affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's an advertising model where affiliates earn commissions by promoting products or services from companies or other persons. Basically, this is how it works. Charlie signs up in affiliate programs of companies or products that he likes or trusts. With that, he uses his YouTube videos to promote those companies and products. With that, he earns commissions on every lead or sale that he is responsible for. This type of recommendation and business model is very good for him and his audience because, through his affiliate links, new customers can get discounts or free trials. According to the latest available numbers, affiliate marketing accounts for 42% of Charlie's overall revenue. Translating it in numbers, he makes about $90,000 per month, considering a $210,000 total revenue. So affiliate marketing is his income stream number 6. Charlie's history teaches us that today anyone can start an online business, and with the right information and knowledge achieve financial freedom by making money online. A life lesson we can learn from Charlie is what he constantly says.
Don't be afraid to go out of your comfort zone and approach opportunities that seem too far-fetched. A lot of people look at YouTube or e-commerce or affiliate marketing and they think, that seems great, but it's just something that I won't be able to do. However, I think you guys will be surprised. Take action, fail at some things just like I have done, and soon you'll end up doing what you love doing.
Well, now that you know more about how Charlie Chang makes over $210,000 per month, don't forget to like the video and also to subscribe to our channel to see more videos about successful online entrepreneurs. Hopefully the next video can be about you. Finally, don't forget to check the first link in the description below if you want to change your life using the internet. We will see you in the next one. Until next time, goodbye.